In order to be able to apply a larger quantity of lubricant volumetrically, ABNOX has developed metering valve stations. These stations are used, for example, to fill cartridges or for the process-safe greasing of rolling bearings. Depending on the metering valve station, different volumes can be set, between 2 cubic centimeters and 500 cubic centimeters, which corresponds to half a liter. The quantity is adjusted by means of a continuous metering screw. Most of the valves run at 200 bar pressure. By pneumatically controlling the dosing needle, the process is begun. Grease pressure is then used to eject the dosing volume. By switching the external 5 two-way valves, the grease piston is pulled back to the starting position. The metering valve stations can additionally be equipped with sensors that monitor the metering process. Moreover, selected versions are also available with a handle. To operate our metering valve stations optimally, a drum feed pump with sufficient deliver capacity is required. For example, our AXFP-M.